How to export image in GIMP. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can save and export a project in GIMP. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, make sure that your project is loaded in the app. This should be the project that you have been already working on and want to save or export. And here, now to simply save the project, you can go to the top left corner and click on File. And here from the drop down menu, you can simply select Save and Save As, and this will save your project in a file format that you can reopen and continue editing anytime later. It's perfect if you're not done yet and want to come to it later. Now, if you want to export the project, let's say as an image or final file, here is what you can do. You can simply go back to the project, and from here you can simply click on the file option again. And from the drop down menu, you can simply click on export as button. And now you can choose the location where you want to save the exported file, for example, your desktop. And once you have picked the saved location, you can simply click on export, and here you will see the exporting process start, which usually takes seconds, and that's done. Now you can head over to the folder or desktop where you have saved it, and your image should be exported there. And that's it. That's how you can save and export your project in GIMP. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.